Hello, this is Liz. I'm doing an unboxing of my Her 4 combo album set with the free poster. And I have my sister here on Facetime in England because I'm in the USA right now. So what time is it where you are?
Oh, good question. It is 9:15.
So it's late for her, and I just got back from work. So here we go, because one of these will belong to Helena. Okay, here we go. What do you want? Do you want first? Do you want the poster, or do you want the albums?
Do the poster first.
Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, this was the first thing that arrived, and I was annoyed because I thought both were going to arrive. Okay, here we go. I think I might have. Oh wow. Oh, I've got more than one poster. I thought there was only one poster. Oh my god. Okay. Here we go. Oh, there's more tape. Oh my god, there's like 4 posters, Helena.
What?
Okay. I thought it just came with a free poster like for the order. Oh, shit, I can't open this. There we go. Here we go. Here we go. Oh my god. So cool! Right, there's the first one. There you go.
Oh, mate.
Look at that.
I love that picture.
Yeah. And then, oh, it's from all the versions. Dude! So wait, that one was E, right? That one's E. And then this one is L. There you go. And then, oh my god, this is so annoying how they're all folding up. Oh, there's O.
I just can't do that.
And, oh no, wait. And then, oh, there's no, the first one was E, and this one's B. Right? No, the other way around. Oh, so cool. Okay. I'm not sure which one I want. Maybe I want the... I don't know. We'll have to fight over that later. So, 4 posters. I wasn't expecting that. Okay. Now for the main event. I'm excited to see what cards I get. What photo cards.
Yeah, I have to say.
Okay, it's all packaged very nicely. Ooh. So cool. I have to say, they were very good. The place that I bought it from, KPOP Mall USA, were really good because I was freaking out about when it was coming, and they replied super fast. Even when I asked stupid questions. Okay. And they would always say, sorry for the delay, and it literally been like 20 minutes.
Yeah, well, like that.
Oh, I thought I had a group photo card then.
Right. Man, if you had.
Yeah. Okay. Get out. Okay, so we've got Bangtan Bomb gold thing, gold plate, and the photo cards we've got Sugar and Jungkook. That's cool. Ooh, what's this?
I thought you got one for each album, or is it just...
I don't know. There might be some more inside. They're probably like... Oh, there's a badge as well. Eee.
Nice.
I love how it says gift. As if we needed to know what it was. And this. Oh, what's this? Oh, I think I saw pictures of this on the Amino. Like some kind of fabric.
Alright.
Like a tablecloth kind of fabric. That's really cool. Love
Take
you.
that.
Love you with all my heart. Oh, it has it in English and Korean. Okay. So let's do. They look so cool. I kind of don't want to give them away now because they just look so cool like that. But
Well, got it. You're gonna have to.
So this is L. Oh, I hate this part. Okay. I wish I got a gin photo card. Might have to swap with someone.
But you'll probably trade them.
Yeah. Okay. Come out. Oh wow. Oh my god, the photo book. Oh yes, more photo. Wait. Yes! Jen! Yay! Sorry, I was too excited. I saw that. The photo books are insane. Oh my god. What's this? Stickers!
Oh yeah, I heard that.
And some Korean thing that I can't read. So the CDs first. That's so cool. Look at that. That's so cool. And then, how do I open it? Oh,
Just pop it out.
you're not supposed to open it. I guess you're not. Oh, wow. That's so cool. Sorry, I keep forgetting to show this camera. And the notes, that's all in Korean. Yay.
Yeah, start then.
I'm so happy about that. And then look at this photo book. This is insane. Look. It's like,
Whoa!
so cool. All the photos. Oh, there's my bae. Oh, look at him. Worldwide handsome. I think L is the one that I want to keep because I like all the L photos. Okay, number 1 done. Number 2. O. You need to decide which one you want, by the way.
Well, I know one of them's got a tulip design, but I don't know what the. I think it makes more sense for me to pick based on what's actually in them, isn't it?
Uh-huh. Well, if I get anything Rat Monster, I'll just take it from whatever and give it to you.
Yeah.
Okay. Again, same thing. Let's see who's in this one. It's Jungkook.
Nice.
So pretty. And then, oh look at the cover, look at the picture.
Sorry, I can't see that.
It's your bae. So the pictures are amazing. Like, how long must it have taken to... Oh, look at that. It must have taken so long to do these photo shoots. Okay. So that was O. I like that one. It's more like dreamy than the other ones, I feel. I feel like the first one is kind of regular.
Yeah.
The O is like real like psychedelic dreamy kind of thing, and then the other two are kind of zany. I feel like L fits in with the album more though, because I like the colour scheme and everything. Okay. V. Let's see who's in here. Oh, again! Jungkook. I'm probably the only person that's like, oh.
I know.
I really hope there's a Rat Monster one for you. Oh, look at that pic.
Got one more.
It's so cute. Look. J-Hope!
Oh.
They have these golf sweaters are like really popular because in one of the GOT7 music videos, there's 2 of them wearing them. Like, why are they so popular with K-pop?
Is it Gucci or YSL or?
I think it's Gucci.
Must just be a thing.
Okay, last one. Last one. I'm not doing a very good job at showing it to the camera.
Lizzie, you're not going to be a YouTuber.
I know. Ow. Oh my god, I can't open this one.
You literally got scissors there.
There we go. Okay. Okay. Before we open, let's do a prayer for Rat Monster.
Mom.
Come on, come on, come on. Wait. No, there's not one in here. Oh, wait, it's hidden, Oh, I thought it was him. It's Jimin.
Oh, it's not Jimin.
I really thought it was him then. I was about to freak out. That was when I opened it though, it wasn't with the other 2 things. It was like hidden at the back. Okay, yeah, you can have that one. Yeah, Jimin's still pretty cool. And oh wow, it's got all stuff it's got the thanks on the back. These photo books are insane. I love the lyrics to. They've got all the lyrics and they've got the ones for Go Go, and it just says dollar dollar, dollar 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 dollar, yola 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 yola. Like this. You guys can't see that, but never mind. And then
What is that?
that one's quite cool. I feel like V and oh look at that. V and E are very similar. I feel. I just love V in these. He's just amazing.
Yeah, the camera.
Oh, look at that. Da, da, da. So there we go. LOVE, all of the openings with an international viewer. I hope you enjoyed. Yee. I did. Thank you, K-Pop Mall USA.